Understanding Final Tally, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in English, final tally. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding these kinds of phrases is essential for fluency. Let's dive in and discover what final tally means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Final tally refers to the final count or total of something after all the numbers or figures have been added up. This phrase is often used in contexts where numbers are involved, such as votes in an election, scores in a game, or even the total amount of money raised in a fundraiser. It's the conclusive result after all calculations have been completed. To better understand final tally, let's look at some examples. 1. Elections. After counting all the votes, the final tally showed that the incumbent mayor won the election. 2. Sports. At the end of the game, the final tally was 3-2 in favor of the home team. 3. Fundraising. The charity event was a success, with the final tally of donations reaching over $10,000. Now, let's practice using final tally in sentences. We'll need to wait for the final tally to know who won the competition. The accountant will provide the final tally of expenses by the end of the week. The final tally of attendees was much higher than we expected. Understanding synonyms can help expand your vocabulary. Some synonyms for final tally include final count, final total, ultimate sum. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of final tally. It's a phrase that you'll encounter in various contexts, and now you're well equipped to understand and use it confidently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.